up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna play with brand new drugstore makeup releases. I went to Ulta and they finally got all the new releases out, which I'm super happy. So I got an array of e.l.f. I got a brand new mascara, a brand new setting powder. I got a new palette from Milani, the Gilded Terror. So yeah, we're just gonna play in some brand new drugstore makeup and create a full face. So without further ado guys, let's get right into the makeup. So as you can see, my eyebrows are done and I have my line of define tape and I primed my lids already, and I went in with an oldie but goodie. I haven't used this one in so long. This is the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. I love this. It literally makes your eyeshadows last. It doesn't crease and it really makes them pop, which I love. So again, for eyeshadows, we're gonna go in with this new Milani Gilded Terror palette. This is what it looks like. Yes, I already swatched some colors right before I started filming, and I think it is so just different and pretty, but this is what we're gonna play with today, of course. I also picked up this new liquid eyeshadow from e.l.f. This is in the shade Aurora, which is the new green one. Beautiful shade. So this is the color right there. It is nice. It's such a beautiful green. It's not as glittery as my other e.l.f. glitter shadows, but it is really cute. I do have the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream. I finally picked up the e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush from Ulta, and I'm dumb excited because I never ever had the chance to buy this. It was always sold out, like come on. But now that I have it, I'm like, ooh, I think I want to try it out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm actually living for these burnt oranges right here. So I don't know, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna zoom you in and we're gonna start this eyeshadow. So I think I'm gonna go in with Slow Burn, this color right here as my transition color. So I'm gonna go in here with this Morphe Fluffy brush, blending brush. So I'm just gonna, like I said, place this color right on my crease. So far, ooh, hello pigment, how are you? I mean, come on. And so far so good. I actually do like this color a lot. This color is so freaking pretty, guys. Ooh. So then I want to go into the shade Road to Nowhere, which is right here, and apply that right on my hood just for a little bit of dimension and a little bit darker. So I'm gonna take this LA Girl 203 brush and I want to go into Road to Nowhere. I'm gonna take that right in my hood, right in there, and really deepen that out a bit. So to deepen out the outer V, I want to go into this dark brown right here called Branch Out. I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Fluffy brush and pack on the color. Just slightly deepen this up a bit. Ooh, that's cute. Off camera, I just took this white shade right here called Unplugged, and I just took it in this M441 brush and just lightly, like so lightly, I just went over everything, and as you can see, this is looking so sultry and smoky. Yes. So of course I want to go in with this e.l.f. Liquid eyeshadow in the shade Aurora. I don't think I want to cut my crease and then apply the liquid eyeshadow. I think I want to just cut the crease with the liquid eyeshadow, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take this M506 brush and we're going to go right into the liquid eyeshadow. This is what I'm going to use to carve out the cut crease in a sense. I'm just carving out. I'm not applying the shade yet. Again, I'm just carving out where I want the green. So obviously, so it can be seen. So we'll be able to see the color, of course. So I'm going to take it a little bit higher than my hood, obviously. I'm gonna take this little Morphe brush right here and I'm gonna coat it with the liquid eyeshadow, of course. Oh, this green, honey, oh my god, Lord, do you see that? That is so pretty.
Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, elf, oh yes.
So that is the green. This is looking amazing, like literally a freaking amazing. So I think I want to take this shade right here, take a hike, and that's what I want to blend the shimmer with. I'm going to take this M124 brush and we're going to go right in here. And I'm just going to wet the brush just so it could have some intensity.
Even though my line doesn't need it, but whatever.
And we're just going to go and apply this baby in there. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God. This eye, we're gonna do the same thing. Do you guys see that pigment, honey? Oh my God. Like, it's just freaking amazing. Alright guys, so for mascara, I'm actually super excited to try this out because it's all over TikTok. This is the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is what it looks like. I like the packaging, it's cute. Ooh, the wand is like really flimsy. Now and coat these babies up. So I'm not gonna lie, this really plumped up my lashes. The only thing is, I don't like the wand because it's so flimsy. They're like 1.5 coats and wow, not gonna lie, this dude did a good job. So for lashes today, I'm actually super excited because if you see my past videos, you know that I am in love with the Kiss Lash Couture Triple Volume Collection, which are these right here. This is one of my favorite style, Brassy Air. But they actually came out with a whole set of the Triple Push-Up Collection. So this is what they look like. Oh my God, can you believe this is only $15 and you get 4 pairs. This is in the style Bombshell. I never tried these, but I'm so happy that this comes in a bigger pack because I'm telling you, this is the best collections they have. So if you haven't, definitely go try this out. Okay, guys, so while the glue dries on my eyes and on the lashes, I'm gonna go in with 2 primers that I've never tried before. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. I'm gonna go in with this baby. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the Milk Hydrating Primer and it's supposed to really make it stick. But I also want a mattifying primer, so I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Matte Oil Control Primer. These 2 primers was gifted to me by my subscriber. Her name is Melanie. If you haven't seen that video, she sent me a whole box of makeup, so I'm gonna link it right here on the cards. Definitely go check it out because it's so cute. But again, I'm gonna try these together and yeah. So first I'm gonna go in with the Dew Primer. I'm gonna do 1 pump. Ooh, and this smells so freaking good. So now with this one, I'm gonna go in my T-zone, and this is like a silicone base. I'm gonna warm it up on my fingertips. Ooh, this, wow. Ooh, this smells like straight chemicals, but we're gonna go in right here. Alright, so lash glue is done. Ooh, and these are like extra dramatic. Oh my God. So now I'm gonna apply the second one. And again, you wanna go as close to the your lashes as possible. Ooh, these lashes, baby. Take a look. Tell me these are not done pretty. Oh my God. I decided to go in with the e.l.f. CC cream. So I'm excited to try this again. I haven't tried this since my wear test, but now that I have the dual brush, I'm even more excited. So I took about 1.5 pumps and I'm just gonna distribute that all over my face, of course. And let's just blend this out with the brush, of course. So I'm not gonna lie, this brush is bomb diggity. It is soft, but it's dense at the same time. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it is blending this out like a freaking dream. And I love that it's have this dual-ended brush thing, so yeah, I could just like spot conceal. Alright guys, so this is the foundation on with the brush. I'm not gonna lie, girl, if you do not have this brush, go and get it. This is so good. I really feel like the foundation or the CC cream looks so much better with this brush. Like, literally, it is so freaking good. I do have some blemishes and something, but my face is not burning. So that is a good thing. And I love this little one here so you can spot concealer if you want. But yeah, this looks freaking amazing. So for concealer, guys, I'm trying the LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition. I may be late to the game, but I got the shade Vanilla. This is what it looks like. I like that it has like this little brush applicator. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, that's light. Okay, so to blend this out, I'm gonna go in with my little Sigma blending that Melanie got for me. I love how this blends the concealer. Alright guys, so to set this, I'm gonna go in with this new Maybelline Lasting Effects Banana setting powder. This has been all over TikTok as well. It's supposed to give you like a nice blurring effect, and it does say banana, but it's not giving me like a straight banana shade. If you guys could see, I took some on the back of my brush and I'm just gonna set this now. That is so like finely milled and so soft, literally. So for bronzer, I didn't find any new bronzer out. If I missed it, I'm sorry. I just didn't find anything new at my Ulta, of course. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Forever Sun-Kissed Primer Infused Bronzer. Literally has been one of my favorite. I cannot stop using it. It's just so good. So moving on to the most exciting part of this video, to me personally, I actually picked up 3 new blushes. 2 from e.l.f., 1 from Milani. So these are the putty blushes from e.l.f. I got the shade Bora Bora, which is this nice pink one right here. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, yes. I also picked up Monte Carlo, which is this beautiful burnt like corally orange. This is what I reach for. This is what I love in a blush. Like, oh my god, so pretty. So of course I had to go to Milani because they also have new blushes, cream blushes, and this is the Cheek Kiss Coral Crush blush. Look how pretty that is. Oh my god. But I think I want to go in with this e.l.f. one right here in Monte Carlo's. Like, do you see that? Look how pretty. So I'm actually gonna take the sponge that and I'm gonna just pack this on the back of my sponge. You see it? I never tried cream blushes before, so this is literally first impressions right here. We're gonna just go place this on our cheeks. Look how pretty. Ooh. Tell me you guys see that, please. So this putty blushes, oh my god, do you see this pretty just flush of color? Like, yes. And that was Monte Carlo again. Really quick, that's what it looks like. I am in love with this shade. This is just so pretty and it works really easy. So to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I've never tried this setting powder before, but obviously it's all over everywhere. I don't think it's like new, but I know my Ulta finally got it, so it's new to me. So let's finish these bottom lashes out. So again, we're gonna go right back into our Gilded Terra palette, and I think I want to go into Branch Out first, which is that deep brown shade we used, and also the Slow Burn, which is our transition color. I'm gonna take this LA Girl 204 brush and I'm gonna go into Branch Out first, which is that deep brown color. Of course, to blend that out, I'm gonna go into this baby right here called Slow Burn. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop BFF Gel Liner, this nice green color, just to play off with the green I have on my lid, of course. So for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the Revolution highlighting palette, which looks like this. I want to go into this shade right here. I'm gonna apply this baby. I'm telling you, this is so freaking pretty. Oh my god. Alright guys, so for lips, I didn't really find nothing new. I'm gonna do like a nude lip. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani Easy Liner Pencil. This is in the shade More Natural. And then I'm gonna use this Milani Matte Satin Liquid Lipstick, which I haven't used this in so long. This is in the shade Lavish. And of course I'm gonna top it off with the Essence Shine 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 Lip Gloss. If you haven't tried this lip gloss, what are you waiting for? I'm telling you, go good, it's so good. Alright guys, so this is the final look using all brand new Drugstore makeup releases. I cannot tell you how pretty I feel. I feel beautiful, I feel pretty, I feel like damn zaddy. Alright guys, so that is the end of the first impression testing out new Drugstore releases. I am again super happy with how everything came out. Let me know in the comments below what items you like. Did you like the look? If you did like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up, of course, because it does help the algorithm know that you guys like my channel. You know, I want to thank all of my little makeup lovers that are subscribed. Thank you so much. This family is getting bigger and bigger, and I am super excited for the future of this channel. I cannot wait for you guys to see all the ideas that I have in other videos. But again guys, thank you so much for coming back. I'm gonna leave some videos on the screen so you guys can go watch some more videos. Of course, support your boy. Again, they're bomb. I mean, come on, hello, I wouldn't lie to you, right? But like I said, go watch some more videos, go follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye guys.